Hello, students.
Hope all are safe at home. Today, we are going to deal with the most important mark scoring activity. As you all know, it's a little bit difficult to get marks in English unless you are good in English language. Along with the stories, poems, articles, etc., you should give importance to the activities given at the end of the lesson. So out of 80 marks, half of the marks can be scored easily if you do the activities by yourself to improve your language. So I hope you got an idea about the importance of activities.
Now, let's move to our today's activity.
So this is our second activity. Tarun started practicing zealously. Every day he would get up at 4 in the morning and run up to 10 miles. This made him mentally and physically strong. But there are so many factors, both physical and mental, that affects health. List such factors. So here, this activity is a general question, isn't it? Yes, nowadays all are aware of how to keep our mind and body healthy. For that, what are the things we should do? Now think and find out the factors related to it. Yes, the first one is given for you, fast food. No? Then what? Yes, lack of exercise, use of alcohol, then tobacco consumption, yes, lack of sleep and rest, drug abuse. So these are the factors that affect our health. Okay, have you heard of a term write-up? Do you know what it is? Okay, a write-up is a written description of a character, book, fiction, etc. It usually contains the writer's point of view. Write-up is a short article which describes what a person thinks about a book, place, character, incident and all. It focuses thorough analysis of a topic. So now, let's know what are the things we should keep in our mind while preparing a write-up. Okay? The first one is you should begin it with a striking idea. It should be impressive. Okay? Then the presentation of ideas can be in specific and clear language. Then only it will be good. Then the sequence the idea well. Sequencing means you should connect each and every sentence. There should be a connection. You should not go out of the topic. Then include all relevant ideas. All relevant ideas means all important or necessary ideas should be included there. Then conclude appropriately. Properly you should conclude and there should be a suitable title. Okay. So now look at the last part of activity 2. Discuss how these factors are related to lifestyle diseases and what are the ways to prevent them. Based on the discussion, prepare a write-up. For preparing this write-up, you should have all the features of write-up in your mind. See, let's do it now. People who smoke are at greater risk for cancer and chronic lung diseases and often suffer breathing problems impacting daily life. People who drink too much don't realize how alcoholism affects their physical and emotional well-being. Fast foods and aerated drinks make people fat and they fall easy victim to all kinds of diseases. To prevent these lifestyle diseases, people should stop smoking, avoid alcohol, eat a balanced diet, avoid stress and get enough sleep. They should keep their bodies and minds fit by exercises and yoga. The decisions people make about their diet, exercise, smoking and alcohol have an immediate impact on their health. Many people think that they are strong and they will not get diseases like cancer, diabetes, chronic lung diseases or other lifestyle diseases. But in fact, the choices people make can damage their health now and in future. People with overweight, high cholesterol, high blood pressure and such other problems are victims of lifestyle diseases. Did you find a title there? No. So you should add a title and this answer should be copied in your notebook. Okay? In our last class, we discussed about commentary. Do you remember? Yes, commentary is a live description of an event. And now, see, we are going to learn about announcement. What is announcement? Yes, announcement means it is a statement made to the public or to the media which gives information about something that has happened or that will happen. Have you ever heard an announcement anyway? Do you remember the situation? Yes, you are right. In public places, railway stations, airport,
And in schools, etc., we had heard announcements.
let's learn the features of announcement. An announcement should always be direct, plain, complete, and concise. Concise means a lot of information given in few words. And it also should be friendly and arouse the interest of an audience. And the thing is, it should be factual. Factual means accurate or truthful. Okay. Let's move to our third activity. Yes, the race Tarun participated was quite exciting. Several factors made it lively. The announcement was one of them. Read the script of an announcement about Tarun's race. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Nehru Stadium for watching the race in connection with the Children's Day celebrations. The race was going to start now. Young athletes from various schools are participating and it will be flagged off by Sri Ram Narayan, the famous athletic coach. Thank you. Based on this announcement, let us discuss and find out the answers. Okay. See the first one. What is the announcement about? Any idea? Yes. The announcement is about a race to be held in connection with Children's Day. See the next one. Who is addressed here? Yes, no doubt. Here we address the audience. When is the event held? The event is held on Children's Day, that is November 14th. Where does the event take place? Yes, it took place at Nehru Stadium. What is the intention of the announcement? The intention of the announcement is to invite the audience and inform them about the event that is going to take place. No? Yes. What are the other details given here? Yes, the details of participants and the chief guest. We got an idea about the participants and chief guest. And last one, what is special about the language? Yes, the language is simple, attractive, and they used the informal language. Look at the last part of activity 3. There's a question for you. The sports club of your school is organizing a meeting to congratulate Tarun. You are asked to make an announcement about the program. So prepare a script of your announcement and present it. I hope now you are able to do it and the answer will be given along with the notes. Okay. So today we came through 2 important activities. Write up an announcement. Hope all got a clear idea about it. Bye bye. Have a nice time. See you in the next class.